We have seen another MLM has switched the game up. Bodi, also known as Beachbody, switched the compensation plan. We see this a lot. And if you're someone that wasn't Bodi, you know you're going to have a solution at this end of this video. Yes, it's going to be something different, but it's going to be something you can get right back to it and start making money again. And I want you to know that I am a MLMer, so I'm not an ex-MLMer, so I'm just not a put all your eggs in one thing type of person. You know, I dabble in network marketing and affiliate digital marketing as well. And the trend now is a lot of people are getting into the affiliate space. I haven't done a lot of research in this program, but just seeing what I've heard more of Beachbody wanting to be a brand. You know, they want to partner with other brands potentially, or just spread their brand. They want to be affiliate sort of company. Y'all know network marketing products have some of the best products in the world, but usually it's tied to a representative that's promoting it, and it potentially brings a bad name to the company. So it seems like it could be in between those lines of them mainly wanting to be a lifestyle brand versus a MLM and affiliate. Everyone's doing that, so it's popular. It's reputable, so we can still do our affiliate thing, get our brand ambassadors, but it's ruining the recurrent income for a lot of people, which is the whole point of a network marketing business. Plus, people love that team building aspect, even though I understand a lot of times it doesn't duplicate, but I know a lot of people who made it duplicate and are making it duplicate. More family oriented, and you know, it's more events, more personable, just a fun experience. I'm being honest, I understand. Like I said, I am a network marketer. I understand why someone would want to be in a network marketing business. And like I said, I'm here to provide solutions, not just make a long video, guys. So let's get right into it. So before we break down the money side of it, I want you guys to understand what we're even going to be speaking about in the first place before we talk about any money. One of the biggest things that I mentioned is community and family-oriented businesses. So a program I'm going to be showing you guys is called the Home Business Academy. It's been around for around 6 years, going strong. It's a software and an educational community, and it has recurring products. Recurring money, meaning you can get back that residual that you are probably missing with this Beachbody switch up. So let's dive into the back office of things. What is amazing is the platform was actually built on one of their softwares, in which is their funnel builder. One thing you might have been lacking in your network marketing business is a funnel, and this is the affiliate side of the world. This is how we run our businesses. Usually in network marketing, you're just, you know, make a list, do events, and you keep it nice and simple. This is gonna reduce those stressless nights and gonna help you automate your business. So they showed you how to use this software. You know, I create a variety of pages, even memberships, different things for your business. And you're gonna have access to this as one of the core products. There's 4 core products, and here's one of them. Next, you're gonna have a premium community. And if you want to resell these products, you just have to own them. So whatever products you desire, which I recommend, obviously, Funnel Builder Premium is probably the meat and potatoes of your business, and the Let's Go app, just to throw it in there for productivity. So here you're going to learn how to do invisible selling. You're going to learn how to sell. You're going to learn how to get traffic on all these social media platforms. You're going to learn how to do paid traffic. If you ever wanted to do that, we have coaching. We're actually on a coaching call right now. I just lowered it to do this video. We have some AI for content ideas, and we also have some bonus affiliate training on how to get started now, which you're going to really relate to this. And the owners of this amazing program are also network marketers, well, ex-network marketers as well. And then we have the financial literacy product, which I personally don't own it, you know, just being transparent, but this is what it's going to allow you to have. You're going to have all the financial literacy tools that you need when your business starts moving. And the last product is the Let's Go app, which will open up right now, real time. And you're going to see one of the main reasons I do it is the habits. The habits, the streaks of income producing activities. You see right here, I have a whole list ahead of me. I can start marking most of this off now. A whole list ahead of me for productivity, aspirations, meditation, if you need, writing your quotes, your journal, water intake, your exercising, and your different aspects around personal development. It works amazing. It works amazing on your cellular device as well, and create new goals, most valuable priority stuff that I have to get done every single day, and then some extra stuff, like work out 25 minutes, work on website, clean room, something small like that. But if it's not wrote down, sometimes we don't do those things. So it's a packaged program, and we also do in-person masterminds once a year, and we do many online masterminds. So this is the solution for you guys. So before we end this video, I want to get into the money, and we're going to just use $9,600, recurring, because I think most people don't make $9,600 in network marketing companies, whether it's Bodi, any network marketing company out there. I want to show you some numbers, and a lot of you heavy hitters are going to really love these numbers because you're used to signing up a lot of people. So if you just were to promote the website builder, if you want to make $9,600, it would take you a little bit. It's only $20 commissions. $20 commissions on a builder, recurring, $100 on premium, $400 one time on financial literacy. Sometimes we do promos, so it'll be a little less. Let's Go app pays $8 recurring. So 480 members for the builder. Online premium, it would only take 96 online premiums. It would take 24 financial literacy products. Remember, you have to own these products to have resale rights. Let's Go app, it'll take a lot more, obviously, because it's a small commission. But if we pair all four up, it would only take 18. Yes, it gets better, because I know you have a lot of people who are ready to go all in. If we pair the core two up, meaning the website builder and the premium, it would only take 80 signups and people who love the product and keep the product to earn $9,600 a month. And we're paid weekly. So if you were to do this in a week, every week, you get the point. And obviously work's included. We already know, I'm talking to network marketers. I'm talking to people who already know about it. You already know it takes work, but these numbers are out of this world. And these programs, very useful. Everyone needs a website builder, especially if you want to host your own coaching products, you want to do calendars, if you want to book calls, all that's included. Memberships, free memberships, paid memberships. We show you how to set up your email automation. We show you how to perfect your domain name so your emails hit the inbox. Everyone in business needs this. However, these numbers are out of this world. And that's the main thing. I want all you body reps who choose to do other things to understand this. These numbers are unbelievable, and they're not far-fetched. 80 members is very doable for you guys. And I'm here to provide solutions, not add more what ifs, guys. So I'm gonna end this video because it's pretty long. Hope you have some value in this. I hope I can share some transparency on. You don't have to worry. I mean, I know it's a wild situation, but it's seeming to happen in a lot of places. Even in the digital product space, people are going from 100% master resale rights and are getting into affiliate, like only 90%. We do 80%, but we always have an 80%. But everyone's going in the affiliate direction, just for brand reason, also for just the stigma probably behind multi-level marketing. So hope you guys enjoy this. All my information will be in the description. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll possibly make another video or just answer you in the comments.